Bungalows at the bay, on the bay in Christianstadt, and we're gonna try the restaurant here. But the bungalows are actually really cool. I love it. So this is like a place where you can stay, rent, and they have a beautiful bar. It's nice. Let's see. And it's a new owner now, so I hope it's nice. Near Christianstadt, Croix, US Virgin Islands. Let's try it. Guys, the drinks are awesome. Like really strong, big drinks, well mixed. And the view is gorgeous. It's pretty nice. And the view is, everything is beautiful, as you can see. Everything is really cool. It's a really nice place. And that's the reserve that we were in the other video. So it's a really nice place. The food is pretty good, guys. You're gonna enjoy it. So it's definitely a place to visit. You're gonna enjoy it. Yes, we're gonna have fun. Is it good enough for you? Oh shit! Yeah, Croix, US Virgin Islands, dream house.